Welcome back to H2HUBB, the #1 spot for hydrogen product reviews. Today we are reviewing the InhaleH₂, a one-of-a-kind hydrogen device specifically designed to deliver hydrogen at therapeutic, precise, and non-flammable concentrations. It's ideal for clinics, wellness centers, and those prioritizing both safety and efficacy. My name is H2HUBB, the owner of H2HUBB, and this is the InhaleH₂ hydrogen inhalation system from the company InhaleH₂ Technologies. The InhaleH₂ is a professional grade system designed for those who seek maximum safety and therapeutic potential. If you're looking for a device that combines expert level precision and clinically relevant levels, then this product and this review is for you. Here's a quick breakdown of what we'll cover in this review. What is it for and who is it for? Details such as the company who sells it, key features and comparison. Tips and tricks for using this product. User experience, safety and maintenance. Our seal of approval and test result. My own personal opinion. And 3 reasons why you should consider this product. First off, what is this device for? The InhaleH₂ is purpose-built to mimic research done in clinical studies on hydrogen inhalation therapy. It delivers a consistent, reliable, and non-flammable concentration of molecular hydrogen for systemic wellness. Research suggests that molecular hydrogen may help to support cellular energy production, reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and promote recovery and performance. This makes the InhaleH₂ ideal for therapeutic use, whether in integrative medical clinics or as a trusted home use system. Now let's talk about who this device is for. The InhaleH₂ is great for anyone who wants arguably the safest and most reliable way of experiencing hydrogen inhalation therapy. It delivers a true therapeutic dose of molecular hydrogen while keeping things simple. Low maintenance, easy to use, and ready for daily sessions at home or in a wellness setting. This device is best suited for integrative health clinics, wellness centers, and everyday consumers alike. It's also great for biohackers and advanced home users who want professional grade performance, safety, and reliability in their hydrogen therapy routine. It takes the guesswork out of estimating proper flow rate based on condition, body size, or breathing pattern. First up, the basics. Who makes the InhaleH₂? What does it offer? And how does it compare to other similar devices? The InhaleH₂ is offered by InhaleH₂ Technologies, a US-based company founded in 2024, patents filed in 2023, with a mission to make hydrogen inhalation therapy safe, effective, and accessible. Built on scientific integrity and collaboration with leading hydrogen researchers, InhaleH₂ focuses on developing professional-grade systems that delivers precise, therapeutic hydrogen concentrations regardless of body size or breathing pattern. With a commitment to both clinical performance and user-friendly design, the company bridges modern science with practical wellness, bringing hydrogen therapy to homes, clinics, and integrative health centers around the world. If you're curious about the price, just head over to our website. That's where you'll find the latest info. And the best part is you'll save a little bit when you go through H2HUBB. Now let's take a look at some of the key features of the InhaleH₂. To begin, InhaleH₂ delivers a controlled and selectable 1 to 4% concentration of hydrogen gas with each breath. H2HUBB verifies this performance by confirming the device precisely mixes hydrogen gas with air to reach a 12 liter per minute flow rate, which exceeds normal resting breathing. This ensures clinically relevant therapeutic concentrations. Its engineering and consistency ranks among the top performers we tested. This allows users to experience the benefits of molecular hydrogen, but more importantly, it lets them do so with maximum safety at the desired concentration. That makes it an excellent choice for medical facilities, wellness centers, or anyone wanting a device that is engineered to eliminate nearly all risk up front with precise concentration. With the InhaleH₂, there are virtually no safety protocols for the user to follow. It uses PEM/SPE technology that produces 99.999% pure molecular hydrogen that is then combined with HEPA air filtration to the desired H2 concentration for every breath. This ensures both the hydrogen gas and the air you inhale are exceptionally clean. This is where the magic happens, the dual valve non-rebreather H2 mask. It is a fully sealed mask with a built-in adapter and two one-way valves that control airflow. You inhale hydrogen with air mixture directly from the machine and exhale only into the room. This prevents any backflow and keeps the hydrogen concentration inside the hose and system steady and consistent every time you breathe. The 3-liter H2 mixed air breathing bag is what makes the whole system work. It collects the hydrogen air mixture and expands with every breath, keeping the concentration steady and consistent. Think of it as a third lung that syncs perfectly with your breathing. Simple in design, but absolutely essential for this device's performance. The InhaleH₂ features a digital display knob and intuitive control interface that lets you easily start a session, select your preferred hydrogen concentration, 1%, 2%, 3%, or 4%, and set the duration anywhere from 1 minute up to 100 hours. The screen shows your real-time session progress, and with a single press of the knob, you can instantly stop the gas production at any time. Let's discuss what you're getting for your money. You're getting a hydrogen inhalation system engineered by leading scientists, engineers, and innovators in the field, designed to deliver therapeutic results in the safest way possible. Now, how does this device compare to other similar devices? Compared to other hydrogen inhalation devices, the InhaleH₂ stands in a class of its own, especially amongst H2 mixed with air systems. Its internationally patented design goes far beyond standard safety features. While most units include safety mechanisms, this device takes protection to an entire new level. That's important because hydrogen is a flammable gas, and without proper engineering, inhalation systems can pose a risk. The InhaleH₂, however, is built to virtually eliminate those concerns, doubling down on safety so the user carries almost no responsibility for risk management. Beyond safety, it also delivers a controlled and consistent hydrogen dose every time, something most devices on the market simply can't match. Let's break down some of the tips and tricks of this system. When you select your hydrogen concentration and turn the device on, give it about 30 to 60 seconds to fully inflate the H2 mixed air breathing bag to its maximum 3-liter capacity before you start breathing. This allows you to take full deep breaths while the reservoir refills smoothly between inhalations. Starting too soon can prevent the bag from fully replacing your tidal volume and may cause it to run out of air, especially for users with larger lung capacity. Waiting those extra seconds is a simple but important tip to get the most effective and comfortable experience from this system. Next up is the user experience, how this device looks, feels, and operates in the day-to-day. On the back, you'll find the AC power cord, master switch, one cooling fan, ventilation slot, and the inlet for the air pump. On the sides, you'll find the distilled water reservoir, which requires you to fill it to the max water level, 33.8 ounces or 1 liter of water. Other side will have an important non-medical notice label that reminds users this device is designed for wellness use and clinical research, but is not approved by the FDA as a medical device. On the front of the unit, you'll find the digital H2 concentration knob and the system door for the H2 mixing bag. The front panel also houses the connection ports for the tubing and specialized hydrogen mask, keeping everything organized and easy to access. On the top, you'll see the lid for the distilled water reservoir. The digital H2 concentration display knob makes operation simple. Just turn the knob to select the desired hydrogen concentration and press to confirm. Then rotate to set your session time and press again to lock it in. And finally, turn to the start icon and press once more to begin your session. Attach the mask holder to your H2 mask, then place it over your head and secure it to your face for a snug, airtight fit. Make sure the seal is firm so you're getting hydrogen with every breath. Now let's talk about safety. The system includes 10 core safety mechanisms designed to ensure maximum user protection and operation reliability. Maintain between 1 to 4%, well below the lower flammability limit of 4.6%, and the detonation threshold of 18%, ensuring safe hydrogen inhalation. An integrated hydrogen air mixing chamber precisely dilutes the hydrogen stream before it exits the machine, guaranteeing consistent and non-flammable operation. The sealed 2-valve mask prevents backflow, ensuring users inhale only hydrogen from the machine and exhale only into the room, maintaining stable gas concentration in the system. Acts as a controlled reservoir, collecting and balancing the hydrogen air mixture to maintain precise dosing and preventing pressure buildup. Continuously monitors for even trace levels of hydrogen leakage and automatically shuts down gas production if a leak is detected. Maintains stable operating temperatures and prevents hydrogen accumulation within the housing. Engineered with overheat and overcurrent safeguards to prevent cell damage or instability during operation. Removes particulates from incoming air to ensure clean, contaminant-free inhaled gas. Essentially, breathing from this machine is far cleaner air than breathing from your own home. Prevents excessive internal pressure or overinflation of the H2 mixed air breathing bag by releasing small amounts of gas when needed. A clear label reminds users that this system is intended for wellness applications and research, but is not FDA approved for medical treatment or use near ignition sources. Maintenance with the InhaleH₂ is super simple. Since it runs on distilled water, your main task is just refilling the reservoir as needed and draining it if the machine won't be used for a while or needs to be moved. Be sure to sanitize the mask before or after each session using alcohol wipes, or better yet, hypochlorous acid, which is our preferred option. It is also a good idea to completely drain and refill the system about once a month to keep everything clean and running smoothly. Now let's talk about our seal of approval and how the InhaleH₂ earned it. Every device we test has to go through H2HUBB's full evaluation process, which includes verifying the hydrogen output and therapeutic potential, safety systems, and overall build quality against our internal performance standards. Only products that meet or exceed our standards receives H2HUBB's seal of approval. For the InhaleH₂, we set it up using distilled water and ran it through multiple 1-hour sessions at each H2 concentration, 1%, 2%, 3%, and 4%. We measured the actual hydrogen output at each concentration and airflow using an AliCat hydrogen mass flow meter, the same type of equipment trusted in labs and industry testing. And all results were corrected to standard atmospheric conditions for accuracy. Here's what we found. We tested each setting independently using laboratory grade equipment and verified that the hydrogen concentrations were accurate and consistent at every level. Across all settings, the device delivered hydrogen within approximately plus or minus 0.1 to 0.15% of its target concentration, confirming reliability and precise performance. This level of accuracy supports its use for therapeutic and clinical applications. That means the InhaleH₂ meets our expectations, delivering between 1 and 4% hydrogen at 12 liters per minute of airflow. It also demonstrated an impressive 95% electrolytic cell efficiency, producing over 99.9% pure hydrogen gas, and features integrative layers of safety protection. No other mixed air hydrogen system we've tested checks all of these boxes. That's why the InhaleH₂ has officially earned the H2HUBB seal of approval and our full recommendation status. Now let's get into my personal opinion of this product. First things first, this device truly is one of a kind. When you look at the marketplace and the hydrogen inhalation devices that are available for consumers to purchase, they truly fall into basically two categories. You have PEM, pure H2 devices, or you have oxyhydrogen or Brown's gas systems. And both of them have their kind of pros and cons and safety concerns. And then there are a third category that is on the market, which is hydrogen mixed with air. But many of those systems don't actually have the right type of setup to ensure a person is going to get therapeutic levels of hydrogen gas to their body. Many of those systems can actually end up diluting the hydrogen gas twice by diluting it internally inside the system and then diluting it by using a nasal cannula when a person is breathing. And so some of those mixed with air, lower concentration hydrogen inhalation devices that are on the market don't actually supply a therapeutic dose of hydrogen gas to the human body. This system it's different. And this is because it is specialized to do that in particularly. It's specialized for safety, and it's specialized to ensure that a therapeutic dose of hydrogen gas is going to be inhaled with every breath. That is something that you really can't say about almost any other system on the market. And the engineering and the minds behind this particular device are scientists and pioneers in this industry. And so when you combine all that together, high safety profile, the highest we've actually examined here at H2HUBB, therapeutic concentrations with every breath, and ensuring that the gas is going to be administered to a person in a non-flammable concentration or detonable concentration. And then you also take in the actual minds and scientists that were actually behind this system. It really makes for a unique, one-of-a-kind hydrogen inhalation device. And so was really excited to be able to examine this system and get it in-house, rip it apart, look at it, see how it works, and see how it meets H2HUBB standards. And by far, I would say this is the most safe system on the market, and pretty much reduces the safety concerns all the way up front prior to a person actually getting the device. There's always going to be safety protocols with hydrogen inhalation systems. And pretty much this system ensures that all of the safety requirements for a user is almost totally eliminated by this technology itself. So anyway, that's my personal opinion of the product. I really do think it's a great system, provides everything that you would ever really need, and it can fit in not only users, like home users, but also with medical clinics and integrative medical clinics that are looking to utilize hydrogen inhalation and want to make sure they do it safely. This definitely be the system you want to go with. Final thoughts and conclusion. In the end, the InhaleH₂ stands out as one of the safest and most precisely engineered hydrogen inhalation systems we've tested. With H2HUBB verified performance delivering consistently 1 to 4% therapeutic hydrogen concentrations, advanced multi-layer safety features, and clinically grade design, it's built for both wellness centers and home users. Backed by H2HUBB testing and our seal of approval, the InhaleH₂ earns its place as a trusted professional level system for safe and effective hydrogen therapy. Top 3 reasons why you should consider this product. Clinically relevant performance. The InhaleH₂ delivers H2HUBB verified hydrogen concentrations between 1 to 4%, precisely mixed with 12 liters of airflow. The high flow rate exceeds resting ventilation rates, ensuring that the reservoir will remain inflated. The 3-liter reservoir ensures that each breath is therapeutic and precise, even with size and anxious breathing. Together, this aligns with clinical research and provides consistent therapeutic dosing, ideally for daily or professional use. Engineered for maximum safety, the InhaleH₂ delivers hydrogen concentrations well below the flammability, 4.6%, and detonation, 18.3% thresholds, making it inherently safe for continuous inhalation. Its internationally patented design and multiple built-in safety layers virtually eliminates user risk during operation. Professional grade engineering. Designed for long, reliable sessions, the InhaleH₂ features advanced PEM/SPE technology, a dual-valve non-rebreather mask, and a 3-liter H2 mixed air breathing bag for controlled, efficient delivery. Built for clinics, wellness centers, and home users alike. Question: what feature of the InhaleH₂ impressed you the most? Make sure you leave your answer in the description. If you like what we're doing here at H2HUBB, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our updates or new posting of new videos. And that's it for this one. Catch you next time at the H2HUBB.